Ever wondered why your Shopify store isn't making the money it should? After auditing over 1,000 Shopify brands at Digital Darts, we've pinpointed exactly what's holding most stores back. So in this video, I'm going to show you the real reasons your marketing isn't gaining momentum, the critical page on your site you're overlooking killing sales, and the easiest way to safely scale your Google ads for bigger profits today. Here's what I've found so you can grow your store faster. Imagine you're trying to build a fire. You toss a match onto damp wood. It sparks for a moment, then fizzles out. You try again, another quick flare. Nothing. This is exactly how most Shopify brands approach content creation. They post one video, send one email, run one ad, and expect the fire of sales to ignite instantly. But without dry wood, attention, and steady oxygen as consistency, your content just won't catch fire. Not only does inconsistent content fail to produce results, it also prevents you from getting good at it. Great content transforms sparks into steady flames. It builds trust and keeps your brand top of mind. When you consistently publish engaging content, every platform, Google, Facebook, TikTok, works better. Why? Because your audience is warmer and more receptive. If your return on ad spend isn't where you want it, building a strong content engine is probably the missing piece. And right now, the absolute best fire starter is short form video. Let me show you exactly how this works using one of our clients, Raw and Fresh, as an example. We've managed Raw and Fresh's Google ads for a bit and their SEO for over 5 years now. Organic search and paid ads convert better because of their TikTok content. Here's the simplest, most repeatable way you can start generating big views and, more importantly, sales, even if you currently struggle to post content regularly. You don't need a massive budget or fancy equipment. You just need the right process. Step 1, find proven outliers. Originality is overrated. Hollywood makes 19 Fast and Furious movies because tested ideas sell. Your job isn't to be the next Spielberg, it's to find what already works in your niche, then ride its coattails all the way to conversion. Simply search your product type like raw dog food on TikTok or Instagram. Immediately, you'll spot concepts that already have millions of views. Step 2, clearly show your product. This is the biggest mistake I see even professional social media managers make. Views without sales are like compliments from your mum. Nice, but not helping your bottom line. The simplest way to turn views into sales is to clearly show the product you're selling. In our example, raw dog food fits perfectly into this popular TikTok concept we found. And step 3 is start simple, then add complexity. When you're starting out, choose videos that are embarrassingly easy to make. No actors, no drone shots, no voiceovers that are dramatic, just your product. Your phone and maybe your dog if it behaves. Consistency beats creativity at the start. Once you have a steady flow of content from repeating these steps for at least 5 videos, then you can gradually add complexity. Remember, the initial problem you're solving is simply getting the fire burning consistently, turning cold viewers into hot buyers. Step 4, identify and replicate the hook. The hook is what grabs attention in the first 3 to 5 seconds of a video. Hooks can be verbal, visual, auditory, caption-based. One reason your outlier video performed well is due to its hook, so don't change it. The hook in our video is,
"Let's make my German Shepherd Husky mix and Picky Shih Tzu dinner tonight."
That's our hook template, which we can reuse for concepts every few videos even. Step 5, quickly write and record your script. Use a transcription tool to quickly transcribe the original successful TikTok video. I use a free tool called talkaudit.io. Then paste that transcription into ChatGPT. Ask it to keep the same hook, mimic the original style, and add a strong call to action at the end. Get 3 variations so you have options. Then copy your favorite script into a teleprompter app. And now you can easily record while reading from your phone. If you're camera shy, you can even record audio separately and layer it over simple visuals. That's it. Your repeatable, reliable process for content creation. When you consistently produce content like this, cold viewers become warm audiences who trust your brand. Then when they see your Facebook ads, search for you on Google or open your emails, they convert at a much higher rate. Once you've generated quality traffic that's ready to buy, you need to pour fuel on the fire. And there's one specific Shopify page that's viewed more than any other, yet most brands completely neglect it. Imagine you're walking down the street and you approach a store looking for clothes, but the front looks sketchy, like you might get attacked if you step inside. You'd never enter, right? Or imagine needing clothes, but the store windows only show food. You'd walk right past it. Thousands of Shopify brands are doing exactly this, just digitally. They're neglecting the homepage, the most visited page on their store, and it's killing their sales. Your homepage is the digital storefront of your brand. If it's unclear or uninviting, visitors bounce, and your ads and marketing efforts go to waste. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your homepage in about 15 minutes, even if you think it's already fine, so you significantly boost conversions from all of your marketing. Let's look at the real example submitted to me for a review called Revive Wear. Their current homepage headline says women's activewear with a subheadline, whether you're living in the outback or anywhere else, get the activewear you need. Within 3 seconds, I know what they sell, activewear, and who's it for, women, but I have no idea why it's better or different from competitors. So here's how to quickly and easily improve this. Step 1, clarify your hero text. Your homepage headline should clearly communicate 3 things instantly. What your product is, who's it for, why it's uniquely better. So let's rewrite Revive Wear's vague headline clearly and concisely using information that I see is already hidden on their homepage. Leggings that work as hard as you. Handmade, breathable, and soft enough to live in. Notice I didn't invent anything new. I simply pulled in great selling points buried in paragraphs of text further down the page. Sometimes the best copywriter is a copy researcher. Now visitors instantly see the product, audience, and unique benefit clearly, all within seconds. It's not a Times Square billboard. Unless you use video, just please keep it still. Step 2, create a powerful hero image. Your hero image makes your product the star of the show. It's also a large square wasting space. So watch me fix it easily with some simple AI tools. First, use ChatGPT to create an image clearly showing leggings, the actual product they sell in a relevant context such as a gym environment. Make the image full width for a great look across all devices. I use Photoshop Generative Fill to achieve this. Keep it short vertically, no more than 480 pixels high is a good rule of your hero image. If you look at big successful brands like Gymshark or LSKD in their niche, they always follow this rule. Now the product is clear, focused, and appealing to the target audience. How awesome is this image now? I find it phenomenal what we can do with AI these days in e-commerce. Step 3 is add one clear call to action. Your homepage needs one clear call to action button right in the hero section. Revive Wear currently have none. The simplest and most effective CTA is Shop Now. You can also make sure the entire hero image is clickable, leading to the same product or collection page as the button. People naturally click images, so leverage that behavior. Step 4, compress and simplify your top navigation bar. This will not only boost your homepage effectiveness, but every other page that uses it. Think of your header like carry-on luggage. It should fit the essentials, nothing bulky. Compress this area to be no more than 100 pixels high, keeping everything neatly in one row. Have your logo be clear but compact. Main shopping links should make up the majority of the navigation with your key offers prioritized. Shopping cart and icons should be placed on the same horizontal line. Make sure your announcement bar clearly states something valuable like free shipping without distractions. You see I've simplified the text. Every pixel counts. As a bonus tip, to further boost conversions, you can add social proof right above your call to action button. So for example, 5 golden stars could be added here and the number of reviews clearly visible just above the Shop Now button. This immediately builds trust and increases click-through rates. Now your homepage clearly and instantly communicates value, attracts visitors, and converts them into buyers. You've optimized the most important page on your website in roughly under 15 minutes. But once your homepage is optimized, how can you leverage this improved page to make your Google ads perform even better, driving more profitable sales? In 2019, Height Dynamics, a brand specializing in safety, compliance, and height access, rescue gear, was stuck at low 6 figures annually. They had a pretty Typical setup. One shopping campaign, a few random search campaigns, a branded search campaign, and some remarketing. It was generating, I think, about $8,000 a month. Not terrible, but nowhere near their potential. The core issue? They were treating all their products equally. Over 1,000 products lumped into a handful of campaigns, all sharing the same bids and priorities. It's the exact mistake I see hundreds of Shopify brands making today, especially with one Performance Max campaign. Think of your Google Ads structure like a supermarket shelf. If you put your best-selling, highest margin products hidden randomly among the shelves, customers won't easily find them. But if you put them front and center, highlighted, easy to find, they'll sell faster and make you more money. That's exactly what we did when my team at Digital Darts took over the Height Dynamics account. Instead of running generic campaigns, we had an automatic script identify the top performing products and gave each of them their own high priority campaigns. These campaigns had profitable bids based on real-time performance. There's zero guesswork or gut feelings, only data-driven decisions to keep the best products front and center. Today, Height Dynamics is now the market leader in the category across Australia, generating millions in annual revenue profitably. And it wasn't luck or a few smart campaigns. It was because we completely restructured the Google Ads from the ground up. Now, here's the good news. You don't have to spend hours manually analyzing data and moving products around. There's a simple automated solution available to you right now, Flow Boost Labelizer. This free Google Ads script automatically categorizes your products by adding custom labels based on product names, brands, categories, custom attributes. You can quickly group your products into high ROAS, high margin, best sellers, or strategic collections without the manual headache. With this structure, your campaigns become laser focused and efficient. Your best products get the attention and budget they deserve, and your Google Ads spend becomes dramatically more profitable. You don't always get more profit by spending more or finding some hidden growth hack. Better structure is often the answer. Sometimes a thing that finally moves you forward is fixing the foundation. Now that you know why your brand isn't making good money, I've got my top list of silent killers in your marketing that are stealing huge profits. Everything I've just shown you won't work if you're making these marketing mistakes. So if you're serious about growing your Shopify brand, watch this next video. It'll show you the hidden marketing mistakes keeping you poor and exactly how to fix them.